Hello friends, welcome to MedSearch. Now we are going to see the job notification which was released by TNPCB, Tamil Nadu Pollution Control Board. They are looking for candidates to the post of Assistant Engineer, Environmental Scientist, Junior Assistant and Typist. The total number of vacancies for Assistant Engineer post is 78 and their pay scale is rupees 37,700 to 1,19,500. For environmental scientist, the vacancies are 70 and the pay scale is also same for assistant engineer and environmental scientist. Junior assistant, the total number of vacancies is 38. Pay scale is level 8 19,500 to 62,000 per month. Typist, 56 vacancies are available and the pay scale is same as junior assistant as well as typist. Important one, the candidates who have applied on March 6, 2019 need not apply. If you are applied, your application will be rejected or not considered. Let's see the important dates. The last date is extended up to May 13, 2020 due to COVID-19 lockdown. You can apply for this job right now. The maximum age limit is for SC, ST, MBC, BC, BCM candidates, the minimum age should be 18 years and maximum age is 35 years. Other candidates, minimum age 18 and maximum should be 30 years. The educational qualification for assistant engineer post, bachelor's degree in chemical engineering or civil engineering or environmental engineering and master's degree in environmental, chemical or MTech in environmental science and technology, MTech petroleum refining and petrochemical, ME environmental management. For environmental scientist post, master degree in science in any of the following discipline: chemistry, biology, zoology, environmental chemistry, environmental science, environmental toxicology, microbiology, marine biology, biochemistry, analytical chemistry, applied chemistry and botany. For junior assistant post, a pass in bachelor degree any stream and diploma in computer course for a period of minimum 6 months. Typist, bachelor degree in any stream, any discipline. A pass in the government technical examination in typewriting, higher grade in English and Tamil. Diploma in computer course for a period of minimum 6 months. Knowledge of Tamil. Candidate should possess adequate knowledge of Tamil on date of this notification. These are the general instructions. You can download this notification and read it clearly. In description I provided this link to download this notification. See selection procedure. The selection procedure will be made in two successive stages. One is online examination and second one is interview. Online examination duration is 3 hours and 2 hours. 3 hours for assistant engineer and environmental scientist post, 2 hours for junior assistants and typing posts. Your marks in the online examination will be converted to 87.8 and the interview mark will be converted to 12.2 percentage of marks, and the total will be 100. Based on your total mark, your final selection will be decided. These are the syllabus. Assistant engineer, 3 hours duration. The syllabus are environmental chemistry, microbiology, water and wastewater treatment, aptitude for work, analytical skills, air pollution and control, solid and hazardous waste management, environmental impact assessment, legal and administrative framework for pollution control, current environmental issues. For other syllabus, you can view this notification and download it. These are the centers for examination. Examination fees for OC, BC, MBC, DCM candidates, examination fees is rupees 500. For other candidates, rupees 250. How to apply? It's an online application method. You have to apply in online. You have to fill this online application form. Visit the TNPC's official website www.tnpcb.government.in. Go to the online application portal and fill the application form and submit it. After submitting this application form, you have to download the form in PDF format and take printout. While applying this job, you have to following the items you be ready. Scan the image of your photograph and signature in JPEG format. Scan the copy of community certificate in PDF format. Scan the copy of SSLC, HSC, degree certificate and PG certificates in PDF format only. Scan the copy of certificate for differently abled in PDF format. If you are a disabled person, you have to submit the medical certificate in PDF format. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.